Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you something that can save you a lot of confusion and hassle if you ever need to protect certain pages in your Power BI report from being printed or shared accidentally. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand how to hide a page in Power BI, what that actually does for your viewers, especially when printing, and how publishing works with hidden pages. Let's jump straight into it. So let's start off in Power BI Desktop. Let's say you have a report with a few different pages, and one of those pages, maybe it's a working draft, maybe it's a backup layout, or maybe it's just meant only for you, isn't ready to be seen by other people. What you can do is hide that page. Simply find the Page tab along the bottom where your report pages are listed, right-click on the page you want to keep private and select Hide. You'll notice a little icon appears showing you it's now hidden. Now hiding a page doesn't delete it. It just makes sure that when someone is looking at the published version of your report, they won't even see the tab, so they won't be able to click into that page. Think of it like putting a file in a drawer. It's still there, but not on display. If you just need to keep certain insights or work-in-progress views out of your audience's way, this is a very tidy way to do it. Next, go ahead and publish your report. Just click on the Publish button in Power BI Desktop and send your report up to the Power BI service online. After it processes, open the report in your web browser. That's the Power BI service. Take a look around. That hidden page we just tucked away, there's no sign of it. It's as if it never existed for anyone viewing the report online. Only the visible pages are up there, and you're not ready for primetime content stays private. Now let's try the reverse. Head back into Power BI Desktop, and this time unhide the page by right-clicking its tab and choosing Unhide. That icon disappears and the page is visible again. Publish your report again just like before. Back in the Power BI service, refresh and you'll see the page is now up there in the list, ready to be viewed by anyone with access. So the change syncs up very directly, but just remember, publishing is what updates what viewers will see online. Here's an important note though, and this catches a lot of people off guard. No matter whether you have your pages hidden or visible, if you go to the Power BI service, click on the File menu, and then choose Print This, BI is only going to print whatever is right there on the canvas, the page you're actually viewing. Hidden pages aren't printed because, well, they're not on display at all. Even if all your pages are visible, the Print This Page option only cares about what you're looking at right now, not the rest of your report. So to sum up, hiding a page in Power BI keeps it out of sight for viewers, and that's perfect for when you don't want certain data or layouts to be published or printed by others. Just remember to publish every time you make a change for it to take effect online. And that's it. You've mastered one of the best ways to keep your Power BI reports organized and secure. If this helped, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into anything weird, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help out. And for more helpful Power BI tutorials, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.